And today I'm doing my Balance Company box. It's the Balance Company Explorer box. And what it is they have a lot of different boxes, and they have samples from the different ones in here. This one costs you like right at $25, I believe. I will put it on the screen, regardless if I'm wrong or right. I'll put it on the screen. I always do. And so we will just go through it. This is a whole box. It's got 5, and it's kind, healthy grains, oats and honey with toasted coconut. And it's 100% whole grains, chewy with a crunch, gluten-free. Now, I may be able to eat that, and if I can, it would be a good thing, because sometimes you just want to crunch. And my diet being so finicky the way it is, it's like, okay, I was like, did I forget something? And then we got eatable whiskey on the pops, Scotch whiskey infused caramel. You know what? And it's gourmet popcorn. And you know what? My heart is not breaking that I can't have it. But I would take that up and let my son try it. And I will report back. Just sounds nasty to me, but okay. Whatever you say. Then we got dark chocolate. Amaranth bar, caramel, and a touch of sea salt. I don't know what it is. I will taste it. And then we have one that's white chocolate, floral flavor. This is kind of a light box this time, and this is that Andalou Naturals, and this is a skin food mask. It's ABO Cocoa, Age Define. This is a really good brand. This box, by the way, is out of Canada, and that includes shipping. That price that I told you includes shipping, so it's all in. Fruit stem cell complex and resveratrol, CoQ10 blended with organic avocado oil and dark cocoa, abundant in antioxidants and amino acids. To use, apply evenly to clean, dry, or damp skin. Leave on to 10 to 20 minutes. Rinse with cool water. Well, but I do like this. I've tried a lot of their products. I haven't tried this one. But I do like, ooh. The lid was off. Definitely looks like chocolate. It smells like semi-sweet chocolate. That's what it smells like. And I will have to try that just because I have to. Yeah, it smells like, you know how when you melt the semi-sweet morsels? That's exactly what it smells like. So this is what it looks like. Yeah, I will definitely have to try that. Definitely. Definitely. I'm going to smell that again. Yep, that's what it smells like. It smells like semi-sweet chocolate. Let's do this. Kind of feels like semi-sweet chocolate too. Look. Look. Yep. Kind of feels like. Kind of feels like it. Kind of smells like it. I would try it, but I won't be trying it tonight because I gotta go watch my babies. And this is Simply Gum Spearmint. Chew better, it says. That is gum. We don't use synthetic plastic in our gum base. Instead, we use tree sap called CHICLE. That don't give this to my grandkids because I ain't getting blamed for them getting it all in their hair. Know what I mean? Can't see. I can almost open it. But I don't chew gum for 2 reasons. First of all, I have dentures, and if you don't... Ooh! I didn't see that coming. Man, still smell like chocolate. Kinda hard to start, but it doesn't have a strong spearmint flavor. I don't think. Let me keep going. Honestly, it doesn't have much flavor at all. Yeah, it doesn't have much flavor at all. Anyway, there's that. And that was my balance box. Yeah, this one was very sparse. They're not usually this sparse. But, you know, I'm sure it has something to do with, you know, having tariffs and all the crazy going on in the world. This is usually not this sparse. So, anyway, now you've seen it. And I have found life-changing items in here. You know, like when they had the thing to help you sleep. Nothing in this world could knock me out. And that stuff did. And I'm still taking it every night. So, anyway, come on back, like, subscribe. You know what I say. All people need love. Two. We need it 2, twice as much. Bye.